Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 6-inch embroidery hoop and fuzzy yarn, both from Dollar Tree. I start by separating the two pieces of the hoop. I then add some hot glue and place on the yarn, and then start wrapping that around until I have both of those hoops fully covered. Next on the hoop that is partially open, I add some hot glue on the inside bottom and place in the other hoop. And then on the top I add hot glue to attach those two pieces together. And then I'm taking this star ornament I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I will be tying that so it hangs down in the center of the two. I just tie it on the top where the two are connected. I cut the excess string and then add a dot of hot glue just so that string doesn't come apart. And so the piece will stand. I'm using this 2-inch wooden wheel that I got from Hobby Lobby, adding hot glue across the bottom one and then placing that on that wooden wheel. I then take this ribbon I got from Walmart and I'm cutting 3 different pieces, all different lengths, to make a bow. And I'm hot gluing one end of the ribbon and then folding the other end over onto it to create a loop. I then place those 3, one on top of the other, the largest on the bottom and the smallest on the top. I take some of that yarn, wrap it around the center, pull that tight, leave it long just for a minute, adding in a tail right on top of that yarn, making a couple knots and then cutting away the excess yarn. Next, I'm adding some greenery on the top, just using hot glue, a few pieces on either side. And then I am taking the ribbon and I'm hot gluing that right on top of that greenery. And then the last thing I do is trim up those tails. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.